Hello everyone, welcome to our ICT learning series. Today we are diving into lesson 4 computer networks and lesson 5 internet in education from the class 8 ICT 2025 textbook. Lesson 4 computer networks. Now first I will tell what is network. I will describe what is actually network. A network actually is a system where multiple devices are connected to share data and resources. Then the types of network. Now we'll learn the types of networks. LAN. LAN is for small areas like your school. 1. Covers large areas like the internet. MAN means is used for cities. LAN within a school the same building. LAN actually we use the LAN connection within the same building, within the same area. Like in the school, different rooms, different department, or in a college or universities, different departments, they are connected with the LAN. Components of networks. We need device like routers, switches, servers to build a network. This is the actually routers, switches, servers. These are the network components. Benefits of networking. The main benefits of the networking is the file sharing, internet access, communication. We can share the all types of file with each other who actually live in the abroad also, who are far away from ourselves. Real life examples, your school computer lab is LAN. Then lesson 5 internet in education. Why the internet actually needs in the education, the role of the internet in education. From online classes to educational videos, the internet is a big helper in the learning. Examples of educational tools. Websites like Khan Academy, Wikipedia, YouTube video, online Google Classroom. These are the example of the educational tools. Advantage and the disadvantage. Advantage are we can learn from home. All the tutorials we can learn from the home. Then the disadvantage is actually distraction, misinformation. Sometimes if we take any courses or if we take any tutorials, sometimes there may be sometimes in the misinformation also. But it is very rare actually. Encourage safe and smart internet use. Then today actually we learned about the computer networks and how the internet helps in the education. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel A to Z ICT Zone. So from the next video, I'll cover the other lessons also from this chapter 2. Thank you very much.